Hello, doctor. My name is Alisca, and my metric number is 12908. So, the first time I registered this subject, during that time, my first impression is like this law subject is gonna be the hardest subject among all of the subject that I registered for this semester. And of course, like I think like the first time, like I feel like no, I don't want like any harder, like because this semester there's a lot of subject. So yeah, it's not a good first perception about this subject, and I think I'm gonna be like a bookworm person. And because this subject we cannot like assuming thing, this is like facts and matter of uh, real thing, real fact. Cannot cannot you cannot assuming thing, cannot explain in your own, not like other subject. Yeah. And before that also, I think that every law lecturer is gonna be strict, but during the first class, yeah, I see like you're like so chill and relax. And so after some explanation about this course, your the way you're teaching, like, oh, I understand, like I'm just immediately understand about this contract and of course it is not about just a written black and white paper, but you also give like mind maps, which is very very effective. Like, so I just like changing my perception about this course, which I think is like one of the most, like I really like this subject. But of course I'm not gonna be a lawyer. Just I think it's easy to understand during the class. Even the exercise that you give is quite I can do it. It's not hard. And also like of course what I like about this course is it's not just about learning in the class, but in group, where we do grouping activities and so on, like the movie. So I think it's like there's you give us many, as much as chances to give us marks, not just not you're not just giving us tests, but you give an other alternative so we can gain our carry mark. So for the challenges is maybe, okay, I can say that this is easy. I mean, I can understand it immediately, I can understand it easily, but I cannot remember that easily. I mean, this subject has a lot of cases, especially even though your book is not thick, but it gained too many cases. Like, yeah, during the for exam, yeah, I need to memorize. And also the other challenge is time. I think because quite this subject is quite have a lot of content, so this semester is like it's too short period of time. So I know there's a lot of something advanced that you can teach us, but because of the time, so we can just talk about 1 to 3 cases, just something like that. And then for the memorable part, and the first time when you make us to sit in group or do our work in group, well, my group has a lot of Chinese, so I think it's like maybe it's gonna be hard because we have different understanding, especially, but but uh, for the group work, like it's kind of fun doing this law with them, because each of us have a lot of idea. So when you have a lot of idea, like you really like you enjoy your work, like no stress, no fight at all, no misunderstanding among us. It just easy going flow. Yeah. And I think that's all from me. Yeah, especially I can rate this class 9/10. So that 1/10 is like maybe it's because of the challenge, but overall I really love this class so much. So that's all from me. Thank you, doctor, because you really understand what the student really need. Yeah.